Alright. You know, this whole situation with healthcare is such a fluid situation that it's just evolving rapidly. And it looks like they're going to ram this socialized healthcare bill down the American people's throat. So just in case they do, they actually accomplish this, I wanted to break down very quickly why I don't support socialized medicine. Now, first, let me say this. I don't have health insurance. I'm an uninsured American. I don't have dental insurance. I don't have ocular insurance. I don't have insurance. But you know what? I don't fucking want insurance. Alright? Hospitals are places of death. The best idea is to stay as far away from them as you possibly can. 180,000 people die every year because of hospital infection. That ought to tell you it's not the best place to hang out. So just off the bat, I am uninsured. So I wanted to break down in 3 points why I do not support socialized medicine. And before I do, I want to make something very clear. Is that whenever you hear the word, the term, comprehensive reform, you better watch out. Alright? Of course we need medical reform. Of course we do. That's not the same as socialized medicine. So let's differentiate there. Alright? Not the same thing. So the first point I wanted to make is there is no constitutional mandate to force a U.S. citizen to buy anything. It simply doesn't exist. There is no constitutional mandate to force an American citizen to buy anything. So right off the bat, it's unconstitutional. It doesn't get any more complex or simple than that. Right? Number 2. Everything that the federal government touches turns into shit. Anyone with basic cognitive function should have figured that out by now. Everything is a disaster. There is not one positive thing that I can come up with when it comes to U.S. foreign policy, domestic policy, our economy, the whole list. It's all bad. So handing over your last piece of bread to the reaper, not the best idea. Number 3. I don't want to pay a fraction of a cent over time for someone else to go to the hospital. In return, I wouldn't expect someone else to pay a fraction of a cent for me to go to the hospital or get health care or pharmaceuticals or what have you. Alright? Preventative medicine is the key. Don't fuck yourself up. I know it's not that simple for everybody. But the bottom line is that I don't want to pay for your insurance. Why in the fuck should you have to pay for mine? Even if it's a fraction of a cent over your lifetime. Alright? I would much rather pay for all these bombs that we're dropping on indigenous people of various lands in the Middle East. I'm much more content with that. Tax dollars well spent. Right? Now, it's a very complicated issue. But instead of going off on some fucking tangent, right? 3 points. I do not support socialized medicine. And Kucinich, you piece of shit, you fucking traitor. Everything positive that you have done is gone.